Today on The Explainer, we're asking, what exactly is a developing economy?
We hear the term developing country all the time, but what does it actually mean?
Well, it usually boils down to some pretty big contrasts between developed nations and everyone else. All right, let's get into it. First up, the money problem. A couple of things really stand out. First, you've got low per capita income. Basically, the average person just earns a lot less.
But it's not just that the average is low. It's also about where the money actually goes.
See, in these economies, you often have a massive gap between the rich and the poor.
And check out this example from a bank. It really paints a picture of that disparity.
Okay, so that's the money. Now let's talk about the people problem.
You often see this chain reaction. Fast population growth leads to high unemployment, which leads to poverty.
And unemployment is just what it sounds like. People are actively looking for work but can't find any. This whole cycle can result in widespread poverty, where even basic needs aren't met.
So what about the big picture? Let's zoom out to the system problem.
A huge one is a heavy reliance on agriculture. We're talking over 60% of the workforce.
And this often creates what's called a dual economy. It's like two different systems in one country.
So, the price for the same exact thing, say vegetables, can be totally different depending where you are.
Another big piece of the puzzle is weak infrastructure. Think not enough hospitals or banks for everyone.
And that matters, right? It means fewer hospital beds or just unreliable services when you need them.
Last up on the system side, let's look at international trade and what people choose to buy.
The source gives a great example with cars. People often prefer the imported BMW over the local brand.
So let's pull it all together. You've got money problems, people problems, and system problems.
So developing economy isn't just a label. It's this whole web of interconnected challenges.
Which brings us to a final question. As things change, which of these problems is the hardest to solve?